My name is Iman Rahman. Huzur, people who are identifying themselves in different ways, and some of them are even taking some kind of medications and undergoing surgeries to change their gender. What are your thoughts about this, and how can we help them?
You see, from the very childhood, if the parents are sensible, then they will treat their children in a way when each child, whether boy or girl, will feel comfortable, whatever gender they have. But sometime when they feel that one of their sibling is being treated in a different way and the other is in a different way, then sometimes this type of thoughts arise in their mind. And sometimes they are influenced from outside world, from their school atmosphere, and the lectures sometimes their teachers give to them about gender. So there's an outside influence on them that affects their sentiments, their emotions, and this is why they try to change their gender. They feel that if we change our gender in this way, we shall be more appreciated and respected. So this is a psychological matter. If they wish, they should be psychologically treated. But nowadays it is very much difficult. Those who take this decision, when they attain the age of 15, 16, then they become very much stubborn. And when they have decided that they will remain like this, then nobody can do anything. So we can only pray and advise them. If they are close to you, you can keep on advising them. But normally, under present circumstances, it is very much difficult to change their mindset. But anyway, this is the responsibility of parents. They treat their children and respect their children and give due respect to each child from the very childhood and keep on advising them about the religious teaching. اس کے علاوہ کوئی بات نہیں ہمارے پاس, ادروائز ہم کچھ اور نہیں کر سکتے.